We're going to demonstrate the different kind of wiring harness covers available today. Got your braided, got some shrink wrap. This is PVC tubing type cover in high temp split loom. Fire it up. What do you think? Oh, there it goes. It took way longer, didn't it? I think the tape fares better than the little sleeve that most other manufacturers
heat shrink
make.
did pretty all right after it shrank down.
Shrink wrap is good. PVC jacket, obviously was well beyond its heat range. I think we've exaggerated, but it lasted longer than the braid. Oh, look at that braid, it's disgusting. And of course, high temp split loom.
Took the brunt of the heat.
Yeah, it did pretty well there.
We got pretty close to that one to make it actually melt.
And then this is a little mini series called You Can't Fix Stupid. We're making sure that you guys are well aware of what it is that you are buying from other harness manufacturers.